Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to burn or delete spam NFTs in your Phantom wallet so you can keep your wallet clean and secure from scam tokens. So let's get started. First, you want to open your Phantom wallet and make sure you're logged into your account. And on the main screen, you'll see options such as receive, send, swap, buy, all those features. But we are here to talk about scam NFTs. Now, these are unwanted tokens that appear in your wallet without any permission, without your permission. They're often designed to trick you into clicking on them, which can lead to your funds being stolen. So, whatever you do, don't interact with them directly. Instead, we'll safely burn them using Phantom's built-in feature. So to do this, you want to head over to your collectibles. Just scroll down from the menu, from the home menu, and then you should see their collectibles. This one. Now, I currently don't have anything on this account, but this is where all your NFTs should be displayed. So to burn these malicious or spam NFTs, you want to find the NFT you suspect is spam or malicious. And once you've identified it, just go ahead and tap on it to open its details. Then you will look for the three dots menu in the corner, just like this one. It should have a three dot menu. Beside that, that's where you'll find more options. Just go ahead and tap it and then select Burn Token. This will permanently delete that NFT from your wallet and ensure it can't harm your assets. And that's it. You've now safely burned a scam NFT using Phantom Wallet security tools. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.